we have 12 times quantity x minus y square plus 35 times x minus y plus 18. Now, before we will factor this quadratic trinomial, let us first consider this equation. So we have to consider this first. Equation b squared minus 4ac is equal to a perfect square. Now this is very important because the value of this will determine whether we will factor this or not. So we'll find the value of this equation. So b is 35. So we have 35 square minus 4 times a, which is 12, times c, which is 18, and we will get the answer 361. Now we will find the square root of this. We have 361. Square root of that is equal to 19. So this trinomial is a perfect square. So we can factor this one. Now let's go to the next step. We have b let x be equal to x minus y. Now, we use this x equal to x minus y because it is much easier and faster to compute the factoring, or do the factoring when we are dealing only with a single variable instead of a binomial. So let us now find the factors of 12. So the factors of 12 are 12 and 1. Then we have 6 and 2. Then we have 4 and 3. Factors of 18, we have 18 and 1. Then we have 9 and 2. And we have 6 and 3. Now, I use parentheses here because I want to be sure that I will be getting the right numbers, or else all of my computations are wrong. So let us start the trial and error method. Let's look for the probable factors. So we will start with this one. We have 12x plus, this is 18, and then 1x or x plus, this is 1. So that would be, we will multiply the inner terms and also the outer terms to get the middle term. So 18 times x is 18x plus 12x times 1 is 12x. We add the product. We have 18 plus 12 is 30x. So these are not the factors because this is 30 and that is 35. Now let's go to the next. So this one and that one. So we have 12x plus Let's now go to the second one. 9 times x plus, that is 2. Then that would be 9 times x is 9x plus 12x times 2 is 24x, and then other products we will get 9 and 24, that would be 33x. Still, they are not the factors. So let's go to the next one. We have 12x plus, we'll now go to the third one, 6, then times x plus, that is 3. So we have now 6 times x is 6x, and then 12 times 3 is 36x, and that would be 6 and 36 is 42x. Still, they are not the factors. So let's now go to the second factors. So we have 6x plus, that is 9, and then 2x plus, that is 2, so that would be 9 times 2 is 18, so 18x. Then 6x times 2 is 12x. You add the products, that would be 30x. So it's still not the factors. Now let's go to the next. We have 6x plus, where are we now? Oh, we forgot the 18. Sorry. So we'll go to the 18 first. 18, and then times 6x, 2x plus 1. Oh, I'm getting blind. 6, we have 6x, and then 18, so you have 18, you have 2x, then you have 1, so that's correct. So 18 times 2 is 36x plus 6x times 1 is 6x, that would be 42x. So still not the factors. Now let's go to the 6.3. So that's why I enclose this in parentheses, because sometimes it's misleading. Sometimes our eyesight is not good, like this old woman. So let's go to the next one. We are here, 6.2. So 6x plus, we are now in the last one. 6 times 2x plus, we have 3, so that would be 6 times 2 is 12x plus 6 times 3 is 18x. You add the products, we have 30x. Still not the factors. Now let's go to the last one, this one, 4.3. So 4x plus 18 times 3x plus 1 that would be, by the way, take note that 18 times 3 is 54, and the outward terms is only 4x, very far from the middle term, which is our target, 35. So this one is rejected. Do not compute this one anymore. You just reject. So save time. Now let's go to the next. Let's go to now to the second parenthesis. So we have now 4x plus 9 times 3x plus 2. So this would now be 9 times 3 is equal to 27x plus 4 times 2 is 8x. You add 27 and 8, that is 35x. Okay, now we get the middle term, which is this one. Therefore, our factors now are this 4x plus 9 quantity times 3x plus 2 quantity. So, we will now substitute the x with this x minus y. They are now our factors. So, our factors now are we have 4 times x minus y plus 9, and then that is bracket times 3 times x minus y plus 2 bracket. So this is our answer. These are the factors of this quadratic trinomial: 12 times x minus y quantity square plus 35 times x minus y quantity plus 18. Okay, I hope you were able to understand the explanation and understand why we have to do this equation first, and then if we have this kind of variable, then we have to let x equals to that variable, and then for the factors of a and c, we have to use parentheses because sometimes we will lose track of the numbers. So thank you. Please subscribe and share so others will also know.